Hello everyone, I am not a real human, I am an AI avatar bringing you the latest news about eSKOLO's tech innovations. Today, we will get to understand about the nation's first finger touch portal interactive whiteboard that turns any surface into an interactive whiteboard, suitable for classrooms and boardrooms alike. But first, we have breaking news about a case of Prince Ia suing the school system. It has been going on now for years in the US. I mean, this is a case that is being dragging for more than 8 years now, correct?
Hi, Julia. Yes, this is one case that has been going on since 2017 or so. Prince Ia's case, I just sued the school system, presents a thought provoking critique of the American education system. The key takeaway is that the system is flawed, prioritizing standardization. Prince Ia argues that the system is outdated, and this is important because most public schools have remained largely unchanged for over 150 years now, despite changes in other sectors. Let us watch the following clip to get an understanding of his point of view.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, today on trial we have modern-day schooling. He's an ancient institution that has outlived his usage. So, Your Honor, this concludes my opening statement, and if I may present the evidence of my case, I will prove it.
Proceed.
Exhibit A. Here's a modern-day phone. Recognize it? Here's a phone from 150 years ago. Big difference, right? Stay with me. Here's a car from today, and here's a car from 150 years ago. Big difference, right? Well, get this. Here's a classroom of today, and here's a class we used 150 years ago. Now ain't that a shame? In literally more than a century, nothing has changed. Yet you claim to prepare students for the future? But with evidence like that, I must ask, do you prepare students for the future or the past?
Okay, but seriously though, why have we not at least tried to digitize our classrooms in many areas of our country? Introducing the nation's first finger-touch interactive whiteboard from eSKOLO that comes with a teaching software, so portable it can fit inside the smallest purse. Easy to install, plug-and-play model, it limits the chances of vandalism and theft. Finger-touch active size up to 100 treat. It's a 10 points touch with plenty of gestures recognition.
for yourself with that demo. Our finger touch portable interactive whiteboard empowers schools to turn any wall, board, or flat surface into a fully interactive digital whiteboard, instantly and affordably. Designed for flexibility and ease of use, it enhances teaching and student engagement without the high costs of traditional smartboards. So, what are you waiting for? Empower your teachers, inspire your learners, upgrade your classrooms without breaking the budget. Get in touch today to see it in action. Brought to you by eSKOLO, an innovative edtech solutions company.